Hello guys, this is Harun and welcome to the Cardclan. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the Cardclan editor to design beautiful cards and send them to everyone in your contact list. So let's get started. Let's create a new card. From here, you can choose a card cover from our pre-made templates, or you can upload a custom card cover, or you can design a one on Canva. So I'm going to choose one from our categories. Once you choose a card cover, it will take you to the card editor. The first step is to rename the card. This keeps you well organized. So you can change the card cover here by using this button, or you can add a new page and apply a background. So let's enter a keyword and search for the pictures that could be used as background. You can also design a background on Canva or upload a custom background. So I'm going to choose one from the library. Once you select a background, it will be applied to the canvas. But keep in mind that you cannot resize or reposition the background image. If you want to resize or reposition the background image, you have to add an image. The procedure is same for the image. You can choose one from the picture library, upload a custom image, or design one on Canva. So I'm going to choose one from this library again. Once the picture is applied, you can resize it and you can realign it also. There you go. As you can see that these blue dots are the guides that help me align the image to background. Once it is applied, let's add some text. When you click on the add message, a dialog box will open up. So you double click on it and enter your text. Meeting agenda. So I have added my meeting agenda. Let's try to apply effects on this one. You can align the text. You can make it bold or italicized. You can add emojis to the text, or you can add the effects. So let's try some effects. You can use any of these effects on the text. There you go. You can also make it bold or italicized. So let's try to add some color. You can add the hex code here, or you can choose one from this color palette. You can also change the text size. Let's try this one or this one. You can select the multiple fonts. The Cardclan team is continuously working to give you more flexibility in the editor tool. So you will be seeing continuous updates where new fonts, new text size, and new effects will be added. So let's move on to the next page. So let's add a new page. Now let's try to change its background. Once the background is applied, let's try to add some more text. There you go. Now we have added some more text. So let's try to add some GIF. There you go. You can search any type of GIF from this library. So let's choose this one. You can resize the GIF. You can reposition the GIF. And just a nice cheeky addition to your cards. So let's go to the next page. Now I'm going to show you how you can add a call to action. So first of all, you have to change the background if you want to. And then you have to click on call to action. Once you add the call to action, you have to enter the URL. You can rename the button. You can select a custom color for the button. You can also change the text color. So I'll just keep white in this case. And then you can also change the button shape or style, either to square or rounded. So that's how you design a card in Cardclan.